I can't take credit for the way I look. Shah Rukh Khan would give great advice. He's had like a really long marriage and love marriage. I feel like Kangana has done some very, very interesting. Queen. I have not found my Romeo. It's very tragic. कहाँ हो तुम लोग सब लड़के? बोल देते कोई बात नहीं, हो जाएगा. और हो जाता भी है. Bring it on.
बिल्कुल तोड़िए.
तोड़ू?
बिल्कुल.
Good luck.
तो बिल्कुल लीजिए.
Oh, okay. Hi Sandeepa. Pyar Ka Professor looks super fun. If one Bollywood celeb had to be a real life Pyar Ka Professor for a crash course, who would it be and why? Judging by their track record, I think Shah Rukh Khan. है ना? I think Shah Rukh Khan would give great advice. He's had like a really long marriage and love marriage, and I'm sure, I think Shah Rukh. Sandeepa, you look fabulous. Thank you. Your fitness journey plus Kashmiri jeans equals to unreal. Any tips for us not so blessed folks to look half as good as you? I think jeans has a huge part to play. I can't take credit for the way I look. I have nothing to contribute in that. But yes, I feel like to take care of what the God has given me is in our hands. So, I think fitness begins in the kitchen. What you eat is the most important thing. Eat everything. I feel like मेरे को ना ये diets से बहुत problem है. Fat diets, because you can't really follow them all your life. I feel like you should follow a diet that you can follow all your life.
बिल्कुल.
So eat sensibly, eat the correct portions, eat a balanced meal.
Portion control
बहुत important है. Big fan Sandeepa, thank you. Since you love K-dramas, which one would you want to be recreated in India with you in lead? Also, do you know any Korean words or gestures? A show that I want to recreate, it's a show called Something in the Rain.
Okay.
It's a beautiful, beautiful show. The amazing thing about Korean culture is that it's very similar to Indian culture. उनका जो family structure है, जैसे हमारा जो respect जो होता है, हमारे जिस तरीके से हम approach करते हैं अपने parents को, उनकी siblings जैसे interact करती है, it's very similar. That culture is very similar. तो I feel like अगर आप कोई भी अच्छा कोरियन ड्रामा उठाओगे, शो उठाओगे, उसको अडेप्ट करना इंडिया में बहुत इजी है, क्योंकि culturally we are very similar. Sandeepa, you're amazing. Thank you very much. As a trained Bharatanatyam dancer, do you see yourself more as Sandeepa the dancer or Sandeepa the actress? If you could pick one film or character you wish you had played, which one would it be? I'm a dancer at heart. And yes, I'm a dancer first and actress later. I think that still continues. Do you see myself as a dancer? Yes, I've kind of answered that. If you could pick one film or character you wish you had played, I think Tanu with Manu.
Lovely.
And that's a lovely character to play. That would be interesting. Queen. I feel like she's done some interesting, very interesting character. Emergency. I think she was so beautiful in it. I'm a huge Kangana fan as an actor. I think she's phenomenal.
एक अभिनेत्री के तौर पे तो वो talent है.
बहुत कमाल की, और वो कितने risks लेती हैं as an actor. I feel like बहुत कम actresses हैं जो इतनी versatile हैं. She can do comedy, she can do drama, and she did gangster at a very young age. It's बहुत difficult होता है वैसे roles portray करना at such a young age. And I think she's phenomenal. I love Kangana for her braveness, for the actor that she is. And I wished that I have a trajectory like hers. क्योंकि इतनी versatile चीजें उन्होंने करी हैं. That is phenomenal. I would love to do a Queen or a Tanu Witzman. आपकी West Side Story Romeo and Juliet से inspire हुई है. So what's your take on romance? And have you found your Romeo? What are the qualities you're looking for in your Romeo? I have not found my Romeo. It's very tragic that in today's day and age I can't find a Romeo. कहाँ हो तुम लोग सब लड़के? Maybe that's why we made the show. Do you not realize कि प्यार का प्रोफेसर इसीलिए बनाया गया है ताकि सब लड़कों को समझ में आए कि लड़कियों को क्या चाहिए?
पर Sandeepa, are you looking for love?
Of course, man.
हाँ, बस फिर लड़कों.
Of course I'm looking for love. Who doesn't want to be in love? It's a beautiful feeling. Love your style. You've performed for international musical West Side Story. What's the difference you find in the production execution on there compared to Bollywood? Very different. They're far more organized, they're far more rehearsed, they're far more sure of what they want. The breakdowns happen, everybody follows timelines, everything is discussed. The prep happens. Like the prep is 6 months. Here, prep is 1 week. So there's a huge difference because उनका prep इतना लंबा होता है तो उनको पता होता है, स्टोरी बोर्डिंग होती है, सब कुछ डिसाइडेड होता है, एवरीथिंग इज डिसाइडेड. यहाँ पे आपको कभी कभी सीन सेट पे मिलता है, चेंजेस हो जाते हैं लाइंस, फिर वो बोलेगा कि मुझे ये लाइन नहीं बोलनी है.
परफॉर्मेंस भी अफेक्ट होती है उससे.
100%. When everything is far more organized, then बहुत सारे स्ट्रेस निकल जाते हैं. यहाँ पे तो इतना chaos होता है कि आप कॉस्ट्यूम सही नहीं है, ये कलर नहीं है, ये यहाँ पे स्टिचिंग सही नहीं है, फिटिंग गलत है, फिर डायरेक्टर इज आल्सो इन केओस कि आर्ट ने सही काम नहीं करा है. लाइक इट्स अ वेरी कियोटिक सेट. केओस में भी फिर भी काम हो रहा है. दैट इज फिनोमिनल कि केओस में भी वी आर एबल टू गेट सम क्वालिटी स्टफ आउट. I don't think Hollywood can do that. हम लोग उस हिसाब से ना बहुत जुगाड़ू हैं.
जुगाड़ू तो हैं इंडियन
कि हम लोग हम बोल देते कोई बात नहीं, हो जाएगा, और हो जाता भी है.
हो जाता है.
It's amazing that happens. कर लेंगे, हो जाएगा.
बिल्कुल.
Mountains या beaches? Mountains.
Same.
I'm a पहाड़ी.
थेरेपी है वो तो.
What's your vibe? Mountains. And आपका ऑल टाइम फेवरेट हॉलिडे डेस्टिनेशन कौन सा है? और कि उत्तराखंड. अल्मोड़ा, बिनसर are my favorite places to go to. I keep going. And मेरे को उन जगहों पे ज्यादा पसंद जाना लगता है जहाँ पे ज्यादा लोग नहीं जाते हैं.
क्योंकि आजकल लोग बहुत खराब कर रहे हैं वो जगह.
करेक्ट. और मुझे इनफैक्ट हिमाचल से प्रॉब्लम हो गई है क्योंकि लोगों ने तबाह कर दिया हिमाचल. So now when you want to go at the peak times, have you seen the kind, like, I don't know, it's crazy. मन ही नहीं करता अब जाने का.
लगता ही नहीं छुट्टी पे आए.
Exactly. And it's so bloody crowded and to get in, it's really bad. उत्तराखंड अभी बचा हुआ है, but वो भी I feel like
I hope बचा रहे. वो जो hidden gems है, लोग उनको reels पे ना डालें please.
East is phenomenal. मेरा काफी टाइम से मैं चाह रही हूँ कि सिक्किम जाऊँ, गैंगटॉक जाऊँ, because they are also absolutely stunning.
और वो अभी भी बहुत अच्छे हालत में.
करेक्ट, क्योंकि वहाँ पे एक्सेस बहुत कम है, तो इसलिए लोग इतना जाते नहीं हैं.
थैंक यू संदीपा.
Pleasure.
बहुत अच्छा लगा आपसे बात करके.
मुझे.
थैंक यू.
Thanks. Hi, this is Sandeepa Thar and आप मुझे देख रहे हैं मामा राजी पे.